So friends, today I am going to show you how you can use image file in VideoScribe as a SVG format. So I don't want to use this image as it's something like it is doing brush when I do play. So I want that SVG format file. So how can I do this? So for this you have to use Adobe Illustrator. So this is the best tool to do any image to SVG format. So what you have to do, just as example, I am just selecting this image. As you can see, this image is a JPG file. Okay, so whatever the file may be, your file may be PNG or other maybe JPEG, something like this, but I want now for this example I'm just using JPG. So what you have to do first, so I'm just closing this one. Okay, let's open Adobe Illustrator and just drag and drop this file as look. So make it large. Okay, so make it large. So this is the JPG file, and now I have to do things like, as you can see, here is the image trace. Just click the right here option. As you can see, there is option low fidelity of the photo. Okay, I'm just clicking this one. Okay, then you have to click expand. What it has done, like it just make the body where there is any kinds of borderline of this photo. So what you have to do, you have to delete these kinds of borderline. So I don't need these borders. So what I have to do, that I have to make it delete from this borderline. I don't want this, I just need this object. Okay, I just need this cycle and this man. So what you have to do, you have to click double click. Just as you can see, if you select the whole thing, this is the cursor. Your cursor should be selection tool, and you have to select this whole select. Just select this from very beginning to the at the end of the image. So it selected the whole image. So now you have to do, just click here and just click, I need just double click this one, double click here. So in here you have to click double click, then just press the delete button. And if you click double click here, then you have to delete this one. Here is no object. Here is another thing. I don't need this. No, leave this one. Okay, I don't need this borderline. So delete this one. I need this. I don't need this borderline. I don't need this borderline. And if I'm going to search again, that if there any borderline left. So yeah, there is another borderline. Make it, sorry. Okay, just delete. So another last one, sorry, Control Z. If you accidentally delete hold the picture, then you can select control, you can press Control Z. That's why you can get back the image. So just delete. Okay, so my object is basically selected. This is the object, whole object is cycle and the man. This one is selected, so I don't need any other things to delete. So I don't need any other things to delete. So just do one thing. Next we have to do the important things. So in VideoScribe, we know that there is an animation like VideoScribe. In VideoScribe there is a animation like one man is drawing something like so I need someone will draw this. I don't want these things to paint. Okay, yeah, though. So if you want to do one thing again, you have to select the whole thing and make it merge. As you can see, there is the option merge. Okay, what it has done, that it will connect everything in that body as a object. Okay, so another thing, so this one is done. So now I have to do one thing. If you have to make that your drawing is looking good, I mean you have to select this paint brush tool. So this part is the main, basically it's the quite not difficult, but it's not so difficult. You can try this. So this will make your VideoScribe video so much I mean so much animated, like they're doing something real things. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to draw these things. And what you have to do, you have to select this one, you have to select the back. I'm selecting the black part. I need a draw. So you're gonna see this is a black. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, and now I'm going to draw. Just draw the, I'm going to draw the upper body, whole body. So just draw this. You have to make your hand quite steady. I mean, if you feel that you need to make it more perfect, then you can zoom it. You can definitely zoom it, so do it more perfect. Okay, so that's a thing. So now I'm going to draw these things. Let's draw. Okay, I need to draw. Okay. It depends on how much your object will look like. So as this is a cycle, making try to draw perfectly. I'm not so you can pause your drawing or you can start from anywhere. Okay, make sure you touch the borderline. Somewhere in my case it is missed. Don't do this, just do like according to this body line, so that it will look more good cartoon. Okay, so the whole body line is selected, and what I have to do things, just make it merge. Okay, sorry, don't need to do merge things. Okay, so now everything is almost done. So what I have to do now, I have to save this file, save as. So make it name as what to save, sorry, make a new folder. Okay, from this new folder I'm just giving a fatman. Okay, and select the format SVG. As you can see, there is option SVG, select and save. Then these SVG options will pop up. Everything will as look like SVG 1.1, everything. The important thing is you have to select this embedded. Okay, and another thing is CSS properties should be selected, presentation attributes. Okay, then these things will be selected and this will not. Just follow these options as my opinion. Okay, and click OK. So now I'm going to add this in this VideoScribe. Just select this, add new. Here is a new folder. As you can see, this is a fatman. Okay, it will upload it. Okay, so now as you can see, this is a SVG format. So let's play this thing. Okay, as you can see, it is drawing. It is somehow it is doing this draw. It is not painting the brush. Okay, so let's compare one thing. I need to show you that if I just add this image, if I'm going to add this image is the image JPG format file. If you just add this image into this VideoScribe, what will happen? It will like definitely it is not looking so good. It will just take it reveal. Okay, and done here, make it done. Okay, so this image will play like a brush. As you can see, this is doing a brush thing. So I don't need this thing to be brush. I just need to draw. I mean, you need to draw. Okay, so as you can see, this is a drawing. I request you to make the shape of these things quite perfect when you are doing this paintbrush tool. Okay, so that's the thing I need to share with you guys. If you like my video, just hit a like button and subscribe my channel for more updates. So I will give you some more tutorials in this Adobe Illustrator, to make this image or something more informative to use in this VideoScribe. So subscribe my channel and stay tuned with us. That's all. Thanks everyone.